Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to monetize your Facebook page with in-stream ads. You can put in-stream ads in your normal videos. So just as YouTube has its monetization with the ads that show on the video, you can do the same on Facebook, which is pretty awesome because there's still organic reach on Facebook as opposed to YouTube. So you can grow a lot even if you've got a small page. You don't need thousands or millions of followers or subscribers to grow on Facebook right now. Same with TikTok. Insane amount of organic reach. So take advantage and start monetizing your Facebook page. Now, here we have one of my pages that, as you can see, it's monetized. I uploaded this video 5 days ago and it's already made me $1,000. Okay, one video in 5 days has made me $1,000. Why? Because it went pretty viral. Something appealing to my audience in this particular page. So because I told you on Facebook, the amount of reach, the organic reach is absolutely insane because people can share your content as opposed to YouTube. You click share and people share that video to all their contacts, right? So it can go pretty viral. And I've got other videos that went viral. This Trump video, $800 the other day, last month. It's going to be a $1,300 in the last 7 days. So it's going to be a plus 3,000 a month on this particular Facebook page. Now, how do you get here? Well, you need to start monetizing with Facebook in-stream ads. Okay. What this means is that you need to go to Monetization tab, and here you will see all the things that you can do. Okay. So you've got in-stream ads, subscriptions, stars. Now this is in Spanish because the page is in Spanish, but if you've got it in English, you'll see stars here, subscriptions, in-stream ads. So what you want to do is activate this. So if your page is not monetized, you will see this. Okay, you'll see this yellow thing. There's problems with monetization. Ignore this. This is just because this particular page has been less than 30 days on Facebook, but it doesn't mean that you have a problem of the community guidelines or something like that. No, it's just that this page, to be able to monetize your page, it has to have been active for 30 days minimum. Okay, so you have to wait 1 month. So what you want to do actually is go down, and here you'll see this option here, okay, in-stream ads, and it'll tell you need 10,000 followers in the page to be able to monetize, 600,000 minutes, okay, and 5 videos, a minimum of 5 videos on your page to be able to monetize with in-stream ads. So, don't upload 4 and then wonder why you're not monetized. Well, you need 5 videos minimum, okay? So the most important part is 10,000 followers, the minutes watched, which, I don't know how many views exactly this is, but, it's not that many. You can do it, right? If you got like one video that works well, or several videos. I mean, it's in a space of 60 days, so it's definitely attainable. I've done it several times. So just make quality content, be sure to offer value in your videos. Don't make crappy videos, don't copy videos, don't use other people's videos. Create your own videos, you'll get better, and just do it organically, okay, naturally. So if you click here, you'll also see all the possibilities to monetize your Facebook page. And in this case, if you don't have your page monetized, remember in the other page that was monetized, you didn't have this option here. Now I do, because this page is not monetized. So it tells you how close you are to getting to those standards that they ask the page to have to be able to monetize with the in-stream ads. So it'll tell you the percentage. Right now I've got 1% of the followers I need to monetize this page. It's a new page. So, 10,000 followers you need. Then in the last 60 days, 600,000 minutes watched. And it says I already have the amount of videos necessary. So I would only need to get this 100% of followers and minutes watched. But if you're constant, you keep going, you can definitely do it. And then obviously in the monetization tab, you want to go to the payment configuration. And here, you can't see anything because this page is not monetized, but if I switch to my monetize page, you'll see a whole array of options. You can put your bank account, okay? So obviously Facebook has to know where to send the money, where are you getting paid, so you have to put your banking information. And that's basically it. I mean, once you get to 10,000 followers, 5 videos minimum, and 600,000 minutes watched, you go to this configuration of the payments, you put your bank information, and you'll start receiving monthly payments from Facebook. So I hope you liked this video, hope the information was useful. If you have any questions, put it down in the comments. And if you want a more in-depth video guide, a 40-minute video guide masterclass, you can get it down in the description. Facebook Monetization Masterclass. It's everything you need to know, all the secrets that I know, how to precisely monetize, how to optimize your page to monetize. Get that course, guys. It's the information there you won't see anywhere else. I've been 2 years monetizing my page, made over 6 figures. I know what I'm talking about. I'll show you all the secrets in this course.